Today we're going to learn how to make my Aunt Faye's famous seafood pasta salad. Okay, so first it's very simple. You're going to have some rotini, the colored rotini, and then you just simply add some mayonnaise. I like Miracle Whip. You can choose whichever one you like, but Miracle Whip, to me, it really brings out the flavor. Take a little Old Bay. Gotta add a little bit of sugar to sweeten it up. Just a little bit. Add a little salt, some relish. Add all of the nice, large, juicy shrimp that I already pre-seasoned with Old Bay. Then we're gonna add our sea legs. Zesty Italian dressing. Just mix it all up. Oh yes, this is gonna be so good. I'm getting so excited, I can't wait to taste it. Oh yes. There we have it, my Aunt Faye's famous seafood pasta salad. Okay, so I'm gonna taste it now and tell you how I like it. That is good. Wow. You guys, you gotta make this. Take you about 20 minutes. Delicious. Okay, why don't you guys try to make this at home and tell me if you like it. I'll see you next week. Happy Soul Food Sunday. Mwah. Bye.